Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. Super excited you're here today. I have another Butterfly Gala simple idea for you that I wanted to share. So this is featuring the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper that you can get free with a $50 order beginning January 3rd. And I discovered this and I thought it was such a cool idea. I'm sure lots of demonstrators have discovered this by now, but I had to share also. So I'm using Mango Melody ink and I'm using the Butterfly Gala stamp set, and I am stamping right on the designer series paper to give it color. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm using Mango Melody for the top and Daffodil Delight for the bottom. And this kind of reminds me of the monarch butterflies that roam around in California. So I don't know if there's monarchs in other places in the world, but we definitely have them in California, and they are gorgeous butterflies. Clearly, these are not anatomically perfectly correct butterflies, but they're close. And so I thought it would be fun to kind of go with those colors. I also wanted to show you another trick. You can take a sponge dauber, dip it in your ink pad, and then just kind of rub it in circles around in the areas that you want to color in. This makes a really quick and simple coloring technique and doesn't really take a ton of work. Now, I will say you're going to get out of the lines. It's not a perfect science, but as long as that doesn't bother you too much, it'll come together fine. All right, my designer paper here is cut at 2.5 by 5.5, and then I have a piece of basic black cardstock that's cut at 3 by 5.5. And I'm just going to layer my piece of designer series paper right on top of that basic black piece. And then this piece is going to go down on a card base. The card base is cut at 4.25 by 11 inches. And I actually misplaced it there, so it took me a minute to find it. I like to score my card bases at 5.5 or 4.25, depending on which way I'm folding them, so that they get a nice fold and there's no crinkles in the fold. So I'm going to use my bone folder to burnish the edge there. Then I'm going to go back in with my snail adhesive, add my snail adhesive, and add my strip of paper down, designer paper and cardstock. The next step is to take a piece of Mango Melody cardstock, cut it 1/2 inch by 3 inches, I think it is, or 4 inches. I'm going to stamp the sentiment "a little note" as far to the right as I possibly can. And then I'm going to take my paper snips and do a quick cut in on each side. So I do want to apologize for the camera shake. I have to tell you, I still haven't resolved this issue. It shakes because it's sitting on the desktop where I'm stamping. So every time I stamp, my camera shakes. I definitely need to figure this out, but when I moved into my new craft area, now I only have a place to set my camera on top of my table, which then shakes when I stamp. So anyway, if it drives you crazy, I'm super sorry. Hope you keep watching. Then I took Wink of Stella and I colored over the top of all the butterflies. This is a clear Wink of Stella pin. Now on the video here, you really can't see the difference at all, but in person, when you hold this card, you can definitely see that those butterflies are shimmery. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch another video from me, you can click on either one that you see here. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe, and we're almost there. Just a few more days and you'll be able to order from the 2019 Occasions catalog. Shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.